Hello everybody, my project demonstrates a GIS-based service request system for the city of Downey. This project consists of two portals. The first portal is based on ArcGIS published web map service request submission module. The second portal is a web-based database module which is designed using Visual Studio and C# programming to allow city staff to retrieve data and generate reports for processing service request incidents. The data is stored in SQL Server backend database tables. To accomplish the first part of the map services design using a arc map with layers, city boundary, parcels, streets, right-of-way, and landmark layers. This slide shows the tiled scheme of cache generated at different level of scales. The next slide shows that the service request point layer is designed as and published as a operational feature service, and the next slide shows the extent of the map and the symbology published. This slide shows a screen capture of the SQL Server database table where the spatial data and attributes are stored. Here's the larger version of the same slide. Here this slide shows the capability to add and remove the users which are stored in a different table in the SQL Server database. This slide shows the Visual Studio with web config parameters, and the next slide shows the service request control.cs file where the programming snippets are here. This slide shows the run solution in the Visual Studio and the generated the login page. I used a plugin called Iron Speed Designer to accomplish this database. Let's look at the application demonstration now. Here it shows the initial extent of the map. At the top it shows the elastic IP of my Amazon account. The symbology of map changes as I zoom in at different level scale. Also I could see that the different layers start to appear, and the street names, parcels, and the symbology changes. As I zoom in further, you can see that right-of-way layers and other information appears with different levels. The services are published using FlexViewer technology. Using this web map, a service request can be submitted to the city. The web map allows adding, editing, and re-editing of service requests, but does not allow to delete any service request. Submit a service request. To submit a service request, open the edit widget, then close, then choose a type of status and drag and drop that status near the problem location area. Once you click it there, it will allow to input the needed attributes. Date, name, and phone number, email, and type of problem. Once we submit it, it's saved here, the database. Also we have a search locator which will allow to locate the address and place the service request. Brookshire, Downey, California. So it got zoomed in so much, so if I zoom out a little bit, and it shows the correct address for the 1111 Brookshire Avenue. The second module is designed and written in C# using Visual Studio. This is basically a web-based database system. This is a secure portal where city staff can access the service request information by logging into and to process the service request. This This module shows the generated reports which can be used for processing the service request, and it also has filters where we can filter based on status, source name, date, problem location, and can be sorted using the fields shown here. Also, we can generate a PDF report or we can dump it to Excel here. This also allows to edit the field and modify the status and other stuff. That's the end of my demonstration. I hope you enjoy it.